Okay, this is a first for me. Got a lovely Beckett condensate pump here in an attic installation, oddly enough. Overflow pan had filled with water. Emptied out the water. Go to clear the drain line, just make sure it doesn't have a clog in the drain line going from the coil from the air handler to the pump. And I look in, and I can clearly see it. You might have a hard time seeing it here on video. Let's put a little light on this. There is a snake in there. Okay. Yeah. He's not tiny. Now he's pissed off. What are you, buddy? You're not big, but you're long. You are definitely alive. Yeah, no. Don't crawl back in there. Get out of my pump. You got to go. That's right. Get. What are you? Gosh, what was that thing? About 3 feet long? Go on. Get. Go on. I'm sure somebody else has ran into this at some point. Not me, though. 20 plus years of residential service. Repair. First time. Always an adventure. Thanks for watching.